I'm single because I don't see the personality that I want.
You didn't find yet
Yeah.
the personality that you want.
Yeah, I'm still looking for that personality.
Now you are looking someone that is not a boy,
Not a
but a
boy.
man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely a
Definitely
man.
a man, not a boy, guys, because a boy can be
Taste any candy in
Yeah,
the store.
Are you contented on your life right now? Like,
I'm happy, but if there's something happiness coming, I will accept that.
God.
I would love to talk to you guys and get to know each other.
Yeah,
We can
wow.
start the story.
Hopefully you can find the better man for your life.
Yes.
And a man who will accept your family and everything about you, every flaws that you have.
Yes. Because I will accept who you are also.
Yeah.
Even if you have kids, divorce, or any age.
Your range is 40. How
Yeah.
about up to
Like 50 plus.
50 plus?
Yeah, it's okay also. I can
60.
handle that. I
60.
can
How
handle.
about 60?
Yes,
Ay,
it's
you
a-
know what? Some foreigners, even they're 65, they're still looking
Yeah,
good. Because especially those foreigner who do workouts.
Yeah, I like that. Charot.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love.
Hi everybody! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the way, I'm Jalai and I'm a Filipino blogger from the Philippines, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos update. So this episode or this video is about a story of a Filipina. A single Filipina that is looking for a partner. But first, she will gonna share about her life, about her relationship story in the past, and yeah, her status right now on what's going on in her life right now. Why she need a partner. Alright guys, so let's welcome our new guest. There she is! Alright, so first is introduce your name, your age, and your status.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Mary Rose Filipinas. I'm 22 years old and I am single right now.
So, your last name is Filipinas.
Yes.
Wow.
It's the name of our country, Philippines.
Yeah. So, Philippines is kind of like the universal name or the English name, and the Pilipinas is the Filipino name. So, have you ever encountered that people laughing and asking about your last name, because it's kind of what we call that, rare.
Yeah, it's actually in the school where I studied before elementary days. I usually got bullied because of my family name, because it's the name of our country and they make a laugh fun about it, and I because it happened every time, so I am used to it, and this time I am not angry about it anymore. Yeah, because to me it's normal na for me.
Yeah, it's normal.
Yeah, because I often hear that to everyone.
Yeah, because before when you are kid, like you will get easily irritated,
Yes.
angry because you feel that they are making fun of you,
Yes.
fun of your last name.
Yeah.
But it's okay. But you know what? If ever you go somewhere, like you go to another country, you will not gonna lost.
Yes, I'm bringing my own country with
Yeah.
me.
You can't say that I am what is your name again?
Mary Rose.
I'm Mary Rose, Filipinas, and I'm from China.
Yeah, every time my name is very very easy to guess. And when somebody asks what's your name, my name is Mary Rose, and can you guess my name, my family name, and it's the name of our country, and they said Canada, India, something like that. I said, no,
Canada,
it's
India.
where I live right now. Philippines, Mary Rose, Philippines. And no, there's another term for that.
Yeah.
And it's Filipinas. And they laugh and said, really? They can't believe it. But
Okay.
it's true. It's my family
Yeah,
name.
it's kind of unbelievable So, do you have brother? Because Filipinas is signed of a Filipina, like it's a woman. Filipino is a man. Do you have a brother? Because when you say your brother, what is your brother's name?
It's Edwin.
Edwin Filipinas.
Yeah, Edwin Filipinas.
Yeah.
Yeah, and only one brother and three sisters.
Three sisters.
Yes,
Okay.
and
So, where is that last name came from? Like, do you have your family is literally from here in Negros or from somewhere?
that my father is from Cebu, and when he's still alive, I asked him.
Is he
the-
still alive?
Not yet. When
When he's still alive.
when he's still
when he was
alive,
still
when he
alive.
was still alive, I once asked him, said, "Where did your mother find that family name? It's disgusting, and I don't like it." I was blame my family. Look, I'm sad. Every day I went to school. I said, this is a bad day again, because the boys, especially boys,
Yeah,
they
boys
will
making fun about it.
They will bully me and say something like, "Filipinas, game ka na ba?" Something like that. They will use the TV show. They will use to
Yeah.
make fun of
Sometimes
my
Philippines,
family
are you
name.
ready?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
So your childhood, like, you experienced bullied because of your last name.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when is your father died?
It was last October 5, 2021.
2021. So
Yeah.
what was the cost of death?
It's tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis, guys, is very, very common
Yeah,
here.
I'm very sad. That is my very bad year. I very long to this to recover,
Ah,
because
it-
I am
it
a
took long time
father's
for you.
father's
You're-
girl.
Your
Papa's-
father's girl.
Yes.
Okay, we're the
And-
same. My dad just passed
Oh,
away.
I'm very sorry. Yeah, I saw it, and
Yeah.
I remember all the happening with my dad. So, it was just same.
Same.
Yeah, very
So
hard.
what was your dad's job?
Before he worked in the municipality, city hall,
City Hall.
Dumaguete.
Uh,
Street sweepers.
Street sweepers.
Uh-uh.
Okay, because usually tuberculosis can be transmitted by from
Yeah.
his workmates, from friends. Do he have any like
Actually-
bad, what is the bad
Yeah.
habits like drinking?
Yeah, like transmit. No, he does not drink. The doctor said it was from the smoke.
From the smoke
Because
because he
she's
smoked.
very hard. She a hard smoker.
Ah,
He
that's
can
why.
finish one
One-
pack
one
of
pack.
cigarette
Oh
a
my
day,
God.
and the coffee. It's bad combination.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I once tell him that please stop it, because I don't want to kanang if you get sick.
Yeah.
And I
it's
don't
big
think
problem.
I don't think he can stop it, because he started it in his younger days. It's very hard when you addicted.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
cannot you cannot
You-
stop it
you cannot
directly.
stop it easily because since it's cigarette, there is like
Oh, kinda addiction.
something like addiction in it. So when you stop it, you need to
Yeah.
slowly.
He won't stop it, and that's the time the body lose.
Yeah, yeah, because they said when your body is already addicted to that kind of thing, it's like when you stop it right away,
It's
your body
dangerous.
will
Yeah,
col-
you're
what is that? We're gonna get weak.
weak, because
Ah.
they did not get the same nicotine, something like
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. So your body will get weak and you feel tired.
Yeah.
You feel all right. So how about your mom?
My mom is currently alive, and she's already old, 63 years old.
Wow, my
Yeah.
mom is 62. Do you have
62?
yeah? Do you have younger siblings?
No, I am the youngest.
You're the youngest. So
Yeah.
how many siblings in the family?
4, 3 girls and 1 boy.
Wow.
I'm the youngest.
So is he married? The guy, your brother.
My brother is not married. My 2 sister have a live-in partner,
Live-in
and one
partner.
has a daughter, but the
Ah.
other one don't have a daughter.
But they have.
I don't
It's
have
common now, right?
Yeah.
Live-in partner.
Yeah, in Philippines.
Yeah. So why are you single?
It's a kwan, napaka. I'm single because I don't see the type of guy or man. I don't see the sana kanang
You
the
don't.
personality that I want.
You didn't find yet
Yeah.
the personality that you want.
Yeah, I'm still looking for that personality.
So what was your experience before? Like, what was the red flag that you met in a guy? You experienced in a guy
Yes.
that you met.
I think all the red flag, the manipulator, the narcissist.
Oh my God.
Yes, the cheating, sana?
Cheater.
Cheater, yes.
Then,
It was happened kanang 2021.
2021.
We are 4 years and
wow.
yeah, live
Oh,
in. We are live in, yeah.
Okay.
And he cheated many times, and I think I believe him that he will change, but no, it get I am sana more use I am I'm using, yeah.
He's using you.
Yeah, because I am very hardworking finding money.
So what was your work that time?
I work on a call center.
Center.
Yes, and
That's why
every
you are good in English.
no, that's okay ra. Understandable.
Okay.
Kana I work. I'm sana dili ko I'm not picky in kana work.
Any kind of job,
Yeah.
you're not picky.
No, as long as it pay me
It pays
and
you and it is legal.
yeah, and paying my needs.
Mhm.
I sustaining my needs. It's okay as long as it's kind of legal. It's not
yeah.
kind of coming
It's not
from
harming
bad.
anyone.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it.
so you're a woman, and
Yeah.
at young age, you're the one who support for the
Man.
relationship for your man.
Yes,
Besides,
that's
it's living.
it happens like 2 times. 2 guys. I am the one kanang
You're the one who provides.
yes.
Women should be the one not to provide.
scary.
Yeah. Women
Yeah,
should.
murag-
Man should be a man.
Yeah, he's not
You know
man
what?
enough for that.
If
that
if you met a man like that, it's not a man, it's a boy.
yeah, it's a boy. I know. I learned the hard way. He's not a man. He's a boy. He needs to grow up.
Yeah, he needs to
Charot.
grow up because you know what? If man loves you,
You don't ask.
He don't ask, and he's shy to ask even penny amount of money from you.
Yeah.
And all he have to do is to be a man, to work hard, and to provide something to you without you asking him.
Yeah, that's correct. And it's the same way for the women that women should not also sir
Like
take advantage to
advantage
men
to
also
men.
that like having a sugar daddy.
Yeah.
Something like that, like
yeah.
she's just there for your money.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's works the same way but vice versa.
It should be vice versa.
Yeah.
But have you ever for sure you experienced splitting the bill.
Yes.
Like when you go to the restaurant and maybe splitting the bill, or you're the one who paid the bill.
I'm the one who paid the bill, but there's only one time or few times only that he pay only cheap bill, like
Cheap bill, but
Yeah.
you're the one mostly.
yeah, mostly. And it's like buying things for him.
Wow, what kind
Yeah,
of things
I
that you
think-
bought for him?
I think I am like a mother who
Or a sugar mommy?
yeah, something like the sugar mommy, and
Okay.
I don't mind that because I love him and I
yeah.
have also the money. So what's
Yeah.
the problem? But it's not good. I know it's not good, and
it's not
I know
good.
I have to stop. But
Yeah.
God saved me.
Mm-hmm.
He stopped and he cheated, and I'm happy. Because what's for I staying for him.
Yeah.
And
What's
he's
the
just-
point? What's the point of staying a man who can't provide a woman?
Yeah.
Because in the future, if you pursue him and he pursue you,
Yeah.
and he don't know how to make money, how could he support the family in the
Yeah.
future?
That's why I realize a lot.
I know it's not all about money. It should be there is love, and it
Yeah.
should be balanced.
Balance.
Yeah. Some people said that we don't need money, just we all need love. But some relationship, when they don't have money, they fight and they break up.
Yeah, that's the problem also. Yeah. No.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
But it's crazy because you're the one who provide. But at least you've learned
Yeah, I learned
your
the
mistake, you know, the
mistakes.
lesson, and now you are looking someone that is not a boy,
Not a
but
boy.
a man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely a
Definitely
man.
a man, not a boy, guys, because a boy can be
Taste any candy in the
yeah,
store.
wait, that's true. A
Yeah.
boy loves taste different kinds of candies.
Yeah.
So when he tastes candies, how did you found that? You know, how did you find him that he was cheating? Like what way? Because we're Filipinas, we're detective.
We have
Char.
detective Conan. Hoy, I am the girl who easily detect lies.
Okay.
Even when you are saying yes, even ano na, the beat the corner of your
Instinct.
lips, yes.
The bit of your lips.
Yeah.
Wow, wow.
And your eyes.
Wow, wow.
If I know the truth, I will just say stop, stop. I will shut up because I know the answer. Before I am going to ask you first, I know the answer already. That's why I need to ask you and hear you if you are shaking. So, yeah.
So when somebody's shaking and they're explaining, they're lying.
Yes, and
Of course.
their eyes cannot look
Cannot-
straight to you.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
they are sana mapakali, they are looking something.
Yeah, yeah. They're just
Yeah.
they're not looking at it straight. So
Yeah.
that means they're a little bit scared and they're not honest.
Yeah.
Wow.
I find out I will not mention the name.
No, don't mention
Yeah.
it. It's okay.
I find out that he cheated with his coworker in call center.
Mhm.
It was bad New Year.
Bad
New Year, yeah. New Year and Christmas.
During New Year and Christmas.
Yes. It was started the Christmas and then to the New Year. New Year is the breakup.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I said I don't
So
want
during
this
New
New
Year,
Year.
you started single.
Yeah.
That's a good start for
I
a
think
year. Charot.
yeah, God planned that
Yeah.
to make me whole or new
Yeah,
self.
yeah, you know what? Like everything happens for a reason.
Yes.
So if God removes that person for you,
Yeah.
so
I
that
believe
person is
that
not
if some door close, there's
Then-
a door will open.
Ay, sana all.
And I'm waiting
that's-
for that door.
Yeah, yeah, that's very true.
Yeah.
If there is one door is closed, then there is
Yeah,
another door will
open.
open. Wow.
Charot.
Charot. So now, what is your? I know. I wanna ask you also this. Well, because a while ago you said about manipulator. How did he
Yes.
manipulate you?
I found this manipulating skills to him. Like I know that he cheated, and because when somebody cheated on you, you have trust issue. That trust issue will come out and it will get worse. You don't believe any explanation from that person because you think it's another
It's
lie.
another lie,
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't know, but I have trust issue that time and said I keep on when I know that he's not sincere to what he said, I will go back to the same, like I will throw him the mistakes he did last time. I said to him, I don't think you're telling the truth because you did this to me last time, and I think he
Yeah,
uses
yeah.
that, said, oh, you're no good because you keep on
You keep on
bringing up things. Why can I can't bring up things when he's not sincere.
Yeah, when he is still doing
When he-
same thing.
He's not
How could-
proving the change,
yeah.
he said.
All right, all
So
right.
it's like that he want me to shut up, so
he
she
still-
will. He want me to shut up so that we can be together, and he can still manipulate me.
So how could you shut up? He's still doing things. So he
Yeah,
want
I
you
can't
to shut
shut up.
he want you to shut up just for him to do things that he used to
Yeah,
do.
just to bring peace in the relationship.
Bring peace, but
when
he's not
it's-
doing peace.
Yeah, he's the one bringing kuan in the relationship.
Wow. So as of the moment, I've heard that you have a baby.
Yes, I have a baby right now, and I am happy because of her. He makes me another
Your inspiration.
inspiration in my life.
So who helps you taking care of the baby?
It was my sister and my mom.
Your sister and your mom. That's
Yes.
nice of them. And
Yeah.
where's the dad?
The dad,
Yeah.
he's hiding.
He's hiding. So
Yeah.
the dad is not helping?
He's helping small amounts.
Small amount.
Yeah, but I will not after for that because I know
Yes,
how
yeah.
to find work and sustain the baby's needs. So it's
So
not a
that-
problem for
so that
me.
was the reason why like you broke up with him, because trust issues and manipulations.
Yeah.
Are you contented on your life right now? Like, are you happy with?
Yes, I'm happy, but if there's something happiness coming, I will accept that.
Guys,
Come to me.
If no, what if that guy is just waiting in the corner? Charot.
Charot.
What if?
Waiting
just
on the
comment
corner.
down, okay?
Yeah.
Just message me on Facebook, guys, or on my Patreon, or any of my social media accounts. Then I will give you her Facebook.
Yes, I would love to talk to you guys and get to know each other.
Yeah, wow.
We can start the story.
We can start. Yeah, you
Start
can start
that.
your love story.
Yeah.
Together. But what can you offer as a Filipina?
Yes. I can offer you honesty, sincerity, and the love I have. And I can make you happy even if ayun sana even if sana
Kanang
even if
Bisaya down.
kanang ingani ra ko ba.
So even you are like this,
Yeah,
you can make them
I'm
happy.
I am a mom.
You're yeah, even you're a single mom, you can make them happy. You know,
Yes.
there's no problem of a single mom. Most
There's
single
no-
mom are the one who knows how to take care of the house
Yes.
and the family, because they have babies and they knows how to take care of the baby.
Yeah.
They did not, you know, I'm so proud of you because you did
Yeah.
not go abortion.
No.
You know, that's one
That's
thing
not-
that is very proud of those
Yeah.
single mothers who doesn't have a partner who's supporting them.
It's like facing a big waves.
Yeah,
Charot.
big waves in
Big
the ocean.
waves, and
That's-
I don't know how to
How-
paddle.
yeah, that's true.
But I did.
You did
We
it.
did it.
You
Charot.
did it, and you are now you're happy with your baby.
Yeah,
You
very
don't have
happy.
regret. You don't have any
No.
conscience when you sleep at night
No.
because you let the fetus bring into
Life.
into life. That's
Yes.
very good. That's very. I know that it's a mistake, but mistakes can be learned. But the baby doesn't have any any sin.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the baby is an angel, and
Yeah.
that's very good thing that you did your part to
Yes, I'm
bring
very
it into
happy.
and that's nice.
Yeah.
And what is your ideal man? This is the last thing.
okay. It's very hard to find the ideal. It's very hard to
So in
find.
your opinion,
Ah.
in your heart, what
In
is
my
the thing that makes you fall in love?
Okay, my ideal man will be sa tawag na a daddy vibes.
A daddy
It's like
figure?
daddy vibes, a daddy,
Daddy vibes,
figure,
daddy
yeah.
figure.
Knows how to do kanang a father,
Yeah,
who
like,
stand a father.
stand the father and will accept maybe your
Yes,
baby.
yes.
Yes.
And also a man who is not cheater,
Mm-hmm.
especially
That's
And-
number one.
who's not kanang using me for my body.
Oh yeah. When a
I don't-
man
yeah.
tell you that, oh, I love you because you have a sexy body, that's a red flag.
I don't like that. You
Yeah.
can take that compliment.
Compliment.
I don't want
I
it.
don't want it. That's good. That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. So
And
what else?
I want a happy guy.
Happy guy.
I don't want
maybe
an
a
angry
joker.
guy in my house. A joker,
A
yes.
joker.
I like
yeah,
a joker. Like, I want to laugh when
yeah,
I'm
like
with you.
good sense of humor.
Yes, good
But
sense of
you
humor.
don't need like really good sense of humor because not everyone has that.
Yeah.
But a man maybe that can make you laugh.
Yes.
Even he's not a joker, but
Yes.
can make your heart happy.
And especially, I don't want a rich man. Like, it's okay if you're not rich. I'm not aftering for materials. It's okay if you have a money because you need that for yourself also, and I'm contented with that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you know what? Especially if I am in your side,
Yeah.
you live in a very simple life.
Yeah,
You don't
simple.
need to have you need to look for a very rich man who cannot also give you love, because
Yeah.
that is the main
And peace.
reason why you're here. You're looking for love.
Not for money.
Yeah, not for money. So that's right. I like it. All right. So hopefully you can find the better man for your life,
Yes.
and a man who will accept your baby, your life, your family, and everything about you, every flaws that you have.
Yeah. Because I will accept who you are also.
Yeah.
Even if you have kids, divorce, or any age.
Any age.
I don't.
Oh, age
Ma-
range. I forgot to
sige.
ask you about age range.
Yeah, age range. I want 40 plus.
40 plus.
Yes.
I think that's already old enough to settle.
Yes.
To settle
So,
down.
yeah.
And
Also a settled man already.
settled man.
Settled man.
All right. How about the physical?
Physical. Charot, mura tag shopping. A physical. I want a kanang clean man.
Clean man. Okay,
Wa-
okay.
Kanang groom.
Oh, wow.
Well groomed. Charot.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and a smell. Good smell. Because
Of course,
you can
nobody likes a bad one.
Yeah, I want because I will be addicted in your smell. Charot.
So you are
I'm-
into scent.
Yeah, I am like
Oh,
that.
I like me too.
I will
I'm like
find that.
You know what? Even me, I don't matter about the face.
Yeah,
It should
only
be the guy
clean.
should be pointed, but I don't matter about anything. It should be like smells good.
Yeah.
And that is the thing that can makes me attract and
The
something
good
like,
hygiene.
Oh,
Charot.
diba? Good
Yes.
hygiene. All right.
Um,
And how about how big?
how big?
Doesn't matter or matter? Is size matter or not?
Size. I don't. What is the size?
Any kind of size.
Any kind of size, and not too big.
Not too big,
Yeah, like too. Sana too fat.
not too fat.
Yeah,
Okay.
and not too thin.
And not too
So,
thin. You don't like thin.
the thin, very thin.
You don't
No,
like it, so-
the healthy.
But how about it should be
physical
healthy.
fit.
Okay, healthy is good. You know, so that because you're young and it's you want 40 plus, so it should be
Yeah.
healthy, so that you can be together. For
I
the
don't
rest
mind
of the
also the old man as long as he's sincere and pure.
So you don't mind if he's old man.
Yeah, no.
So as long as he's sincere and he's a good man. How about like your range is 40. How about up to
like 50 plus.
50 plus?
Yeah, it's okay also. I can
60.
handle that. I
60.
can
How
handle.
about 60?
Yes,
Ay,
it's
you know what? Some foreigners, even they're 65, they're still looking
Yeah,
good. Because especially those foreigner who do workouts.
Yeah, I like that. Charot. Baka
So,
mag-workout na rin ako.
You're into big, not really big muscles, but healthy.
Healthy.
Alright, so guys, you know what she's looking for. If you know that is that you, then inbox me right away. Alright, people, so hopefully you can find the love of your life as also she is looking for, and maybe she is for you. And that's all for today's vlog, guys, and hopefully you click the like and comment down below what is your opinion, and if you like it, just you know what to do. Inbox na. Alright, have a great day, people. Bye.
Bye.